This video is about solved MCQs of past ETA paper. The ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen. This is because of greater attraction of electron by nucleus, small size of nitrogen atom, extra stability of half-filled p orbital, very less reactivity of nitrogen atom. So we will look at the information table. Here the electronic configuration of oxygen and nitrogen both are given. In oxygen here the outermost orbital are 2p4, while in nitrogen here is 2p3. P orbital has 6 electrons, so the nitrogen p orbital is half filled, while the p orbital of oxygen has one more electron than half filled. And we know that the atom is highly stable when its valence orbital is completely filled or half filled. So the p orbital is nitrogen is more stable as compared to oxygen. So the answer is extra stability of half filled or p orbital that result in greater ionization energy for nitrogen. So the answer is C. Ethyl chloride react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to give ethanol, ethane, ethene, ethine. So we will look at the reaction of ethyl chloride with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, because ethyl chloride react with potassium hydroxide and it will produce two different products depending upon the medium. So for alcoholic potassium hydroxide it will undergo elimination reaction, that is ethyl chloride plus potassium hydroxide in alcoholic medium. It will produce elimination product, that is ethene, potassium chloride and water. Here the chloride ion is lost and also H from this ethyl group is lost, so we will get ethene and potassium plus chloride, it will produce potassium chloride, and also hydrogen from ethyl group, and here OH from potassium hydroxide, it will produce water. So it will undergo elimination reaction when it react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, and it will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction when it will react with aqueous potassium hydroxide. So in case of ethyl chloride plus aqueous potassium hydroxide, here this nucleophile will replace this nucleophile, so it will attach here ethyl alcohol and potassium and chloride, it will produce potassium chloride. So both the products are given ethyl alcohol and ethene. Here is ethene produced, here is ethyl produced, but we will look thoroughly at the question, that is alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So alcoholic potassium hydroxide will result in ethene. So the answer is C. The element having atomic number 28 is expected to be a member of S block, P block, D block, F block. So we will look at the information table for the electronic configuration of this element X, which has atomic number 28. If we look at the electronic configuration, it has 3d8. So it means that the d orbital is in the process of completion, and the element in which d orbital is incompletely filled or half filled or in the process of completion are known as d block elements. So the element X belong to the d block elements. So the answer is C. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.